everybody, and thank you, Yara and Mari. What an amazing day it has been. We've been inspired by our speakers, showcased some amazing projects from youth globally, and shared lots of incredible opportunities here at Youth STEM Matters. And we've even been on a quest. Before we finish, there are some people we would like to thank for helping to make today happen. We would just like to say a huge thank you once again to our sponsors, Regenesis, the School of Biological Sciences at University of Aberdeen, and the University of West Scotland. This event would not have been possible without your support, so thank you for helping to make this happen. I have loved hearing from all of our speakers today, and so thank you to everyone who has given a talk. It's been so inspiring and interesting to listen to you, and I'm sure everyone in the audience has enjoyed it just as much as I have. And also to our Research Showcase participants. All of the projects on display there have been amazing, and I've really enjoyed taking a look at each of them. So well done, and thank you so much for coming. And of course, our Youth STEM Matters volunteers who shared insights into getting involved with the journal, through writing articles, joining the volunteer team, and submitting a project. If you are interested, please find more information on our website using the link in the chat. Thank you as well to everyone else on the Youth STEM Matters volunteer team who helped out today. We are very grateful for Maddie, who covered social media, Josh, who has sorted the running of the event, members of the Youth STEM Matters team who talks about how to get involved, and everyone who helped to promote the event. Thank you to the rest of the team who helped organise this. It was a pleasure to work alongside Mari, Lewis, Victor, Tu and Tatenda, who have worked incredibly hard to make today amazing. I have really enjoyed working with you all, and a huge well done to everyone. And last but not least, thank you all for coming. This event could not have happened without your support, so we are really grateful for your attendance. If you missed anything today, you'll be able to catch up on it through our YouTube channel soon. You've been a fantastic audience, and it's been great to see so many young people from around the world connecting over a shared passion to tackle big challenges in our world using STEM. To be more involved with Youth STEM Matters, please check out our website and social media platforms using the link posted in the chat. Volunteer team applications open the 5th of June, so get writing and submitting applications to be a part of Youth STEM Matters' amazing volunteer team. You can also order your copy of the first ever Youth STEM Matters print edition when these go on sale on the 28th of June. It's thanks to all your support that we can keep creating platforms for youth globally to share their research, ideas and innovations for a more sustainable future. And we can't wait to see the change that today's research confidence has empowered youth to create through STEM. So that brings us to the end of the 3rd Youth STEM Matters Research Conference. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much again to everyone who made today happen, and have a great rest of your day wherever you joined us from. Goodbye everyone.